Hey you, welcome back to my channel. I am Cammielle and got some bad news. My hair needs a wash and I need to redo my rosemary oil again. My oil container that I was going to use is all clean and prepped, but I did the rosemary oil months ago and I'm sure it's rotten by now. So, no idea, because I don't want a chance putting something that is contaminated onto hair or scalp. So I had some thoughts, ideas, and then it came to me. Why not use this scalp treatment I have not used, since it requires me to have clean hair before applying it on to let it soak in, do its thing, and then rinse it off again. So ultimately I will be washing twice with this treatment. So I thought, okay, I'll try it. And then I was dabbling into some organic oil. That's a pre-poo. Anyway, I am washing my hair in the shower, prep it with conditioner, detangle and display my stranded hairs of a week of not washing my hair onto the wall, and then shampoo and rinse the rest of the first wash out before gathering the pump of treatment onto my hair, which I did in multiple sections, starting from the back of my head all the way up to the top. So I believe it took 3-4 times, and that was equivalent, that was about 3 pumps each time, so 12 pumps for the whole treatment. And once I was satisfied and I felt like my scalp was thoroughly tingled from the tea tree and maybe peppermint, I think that's in it, I thought to do a much more thorough hydration on the rest of my hair from Shea Moisture treatment for 10-15 minutes, but it was just 10 minutes. Then got out Selsun Blue because I think I have dandruff, but I gotta work on that. So rinse it all out, let it do its thing. But once I got out of the shower, I didn't apply anything to my hair. So maybe the next day I'll co-wash. I'm not completely sure. But once I have finished rinsing out my second wash to remove the oil from my scalp and let the rest of the deep conditioner to work on my hair, I finished. So like and subscribe. Embrace the joy. I'm thinking, smile. Nope.